Evening. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar was born on April 14, 1891. Was an Indian nationalist, jurist, Dalit leader and Buddhist revivalist. But most importantly, he was the chief architect of the Indian Constitution. Born into a poor family, he spent his entire life fighting social discrimination against the lower caste. He overcome numerous social and financial obstacles to become the first untouchable to obtain a college degree. He spent on to earn a degree in law and then doctorate in economic and political science. Thank you. The same.
Good afternoon to all of you, all the judges, everyone present here today. My name is Akhil Singh and I am going to speak about Ambedkar Jayanti. Ambedkar Jayanti is celebrated throughout the country on the 14th of April every year, the birth anniversary of Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar, also known as Baba Sahib Ambedkar. He was born on the 14th of April 1891. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar is known as the father of the Indian Constitution due to his instrumental roles in drafting the Indian Constitution as significant building blocks of India as an independent nation. Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar was also the first Law Minister of independent India. He was a social reformer to the core. He strived for equality among all castes of Hindu society and for Indian as a whole. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar taught all Indian equality and fundamental through the drafting of the Constitution of Indian preamble of which state that all Indians are equal in the eyes of law and that all Indians are a vast family through the idea of fundamental. On the birth anniversary, the President of India, Prime Minister and the public pay homage to Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Survival summaries are held in education institutions like schools and colleges promote or spread the idea of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Coming for the low cost himself, he had to go through a bit better childhood. He understood and felt for all the lower caste people. Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar is known as a symbol of quality and social reformers. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar held the honorable post of principal at the Government Law College in Mumbai for 2 years. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar remains a symbol of quality and for son of human rights. His work and idea continues to influence the mass of people. His forward thinking and ideas are still applicable today. May look up him as a role model as do